So this is another video of the series How to Get Rich. So I was searching today about the affiliate marketing. So it's a very beautiful thing that Amazon, I think, made it popular. Maybe before Amazon, another websites were in actually the business as well. But when it came to Amazon and YouTube, they just, I think, get along pretty much easy. So affiliate marketing is just like you are the agent of advertising a product. So somebody has a product on Amazon, but people have to go there and just search it and just find it and click on it and buy it. And it's going to be a hard process, but you can be an agent and you can actually advertise for that specific product. You can actually bring it up, put a review on there and try to just actually use it yourself, try to understand it and try to explain it to others. And that way you can actually put your affiliate marketing link and people actually can click on it. They go and they can buy that product. And I think around 10% of the total money can be your profit from that specific product. So imagine I have Sony Alpha 7 S3 camera. It's around, I don't know, $3,500. And I can actually start putting some review of this camera, of this piece of technology. And people, for instance, if they like me, they can click on the link, they can get in there, they can buy it, and around $350 Amazon will pay me because of this affiliate marketing link. So it's a very good way, an easy way to actually make money. Well, it needs dedication. You have to go there, you have to just dig down. Maybe you have to, I don't know, bring some channel up based on the affiliate marketing. But I was thinking, if you have enough time and if you have the capability of talking pretty much fine in front of the camera and you can explain things and you're really good with selling things, you can have a YouTube channel and you can go on Amazon finding good products which people try to buy them more often than the other products, and you can talk about them, can put some review on those specific products, and people can watch you. If they enjoy it, they can buy it and you can make money. So plus your YouTube, which is going to be totally great if you put a good thumbnail and SEO and descriptions and stuff like that and a good presentation. People can actually watch your videos. You get views, you get affiliate marketing links, and you can have some profit from Amazon as well. So this is one of the ways that you can actually do it. You don't need any specific subject to talk about. Only you choose some products and you try to advertise them and you try to put some affiliate link in your description and people can click on it and you can get 10% profit from that. So I thought about putting a tutorial of how you can actually get your affiliate link as well, and I try to actually do it with my PC, and I will put the video at the bottom of this video as well. So it's form of a tutorial as well. You can find out how you can do it. So yeah, you don't need any specific ideas. Choose some product which people tend to buy more often than the other products, advertise it and sell it. Just give it a shot. Maybe it'll work and you can make a lot of money.
All right. First you need to go to Amazon.com and then you go down below into Make Money With Us section and you click on Become an Affiliate. And simply you sign up, or if you have an account, you can sign in. Then you go in there. My account does not really work due to a lot of problems, but the thing is that it'll ask you to have an account on Facebook or YouTube or whatever. Then you have to put it in there. And then when you open your Amazon and if you search any sort of product, you will see this section up into your Amazon account, and you simply go on this simple thing that says get link text, and then you'll see something like this, and you simply copy this and you put it in your YouTube, and if people actually click on your account and if they buy anything from you, you're gonna get 10% of whatever they buy on YouTube, for instance. I don't know if I did describe this before, but you buy some $3,000 product on Amazon and you simply get 10% of it, which is going to be $300. So it's a very good way to actually make money.